Come to question number 6. In figure 6.44, the side QR and triangle of triangle PQR. So side QR of triangle PQR, okay, has been produced to point S. It has been produced to point S. If the bisector of angle PQR, bisector of angle PQR, okay, this is the bisector of angle PQR of this angle, and bisector of angle PRS, this bisector, okay, this is the bisector of this angle. RT is the bisector of angle PRS, meet at point T. So both the bisectors are meeting at point T. Then prove that QTR, this angle T is equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR, this angle, okay. So angle T is equal to 1 by 2 angle P, okay. This is what we have to prove. So let's start. We will write it here. Here angle, you can write angle QTR, plus angle, this angle TQR is equal to angle TRS, isn't it? Why? Because angle TRS is the exterior angle of triangle TQR. Why? You can write exterior angle. We have exterior angle property, na? In which we, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. You can give it angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. We have a property, thus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Na? This is what we have written. Now implies we need angle QTR only, okay na? So we will write it here, angle QTR equal to angle TRS minus, will transpose this angle to RHS, minus angle TQR, okay. Now implies, write it here as it is, angle QTR equals, now look at the figure, TRS, this angle TRS, okay, this is half of angle PRS, isn't it? So instead of TRS we can write 1 by 2 PRS equal to 1 by 2 angle PRS, okay, minus here angle TQR, look at the figure, TQR, this angle, this is also the half of angle PQS, isn't it? Half of PQS is equal to this angle TQR, so minus 1 by 2 angle PQR, okay. Why? Give reason. Reason is this, QT and RT are the angle bisector. You can write QT and RT are the bisector of angle. QT is the bisector of PQR, and angle PRS, okay na? So this is our reason. Now we'll write it here, implies angle QTR equals, locate it, half of angle PRS, 1 by 2 of angle PRS, this angle, okay, minus 1 by 2 angle PQR, 1 by 2 of angle PQR, okay. We'll just write, we'll just keep the half common, okay, then we will see. So 1 by 2 into PRS minus PQR. Look at the figure angle, PRS, this angle minus PQR. minus PQR, this angle. So if you subtract PQR from PRS, you will get what? You will get this na, as angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR, isn't it? So we'll write which will be equal to 1 by 2 of angle QPR. QPR region is as angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. Okay, so this is the solution, and this is what we got. Angle QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. So equivalent, hence proved. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise. You complete the exercise and submit the copies. Okay, thank you.